Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Krishna. So I've been using Davinci Resolve for a while, like 2 weeks, to edit my YouTube videos. Davinci Resolve is a free video editing software for Mac, Windows, and Linux. It's like Adobe Premiere and After Effects in one software. It's free, but you can upgrade it to a studio version for more features. Okay, so when I use it for first time, it's kind of confusing for me, the user interface I mean. Okay, it doesn't look like Adobe Premiere or Film Express that I'm using. So you might get confused when you use it for first time, but I'm getting used to it now. So in this video, I'm going to show you around the user interface of Davinci Resolve, how to get started and how to edit your videos in Davinci Resolve. Okay, so without any further ado, let's open up Davinci Resolve and get started. Okay, so this is Davinci Resolve 17, which is the newest version. If you want to download it, just go to the description and click on the link to download the software. And after you open up the software, you will see this project tab. Okay, so all of your previous projects will be shown here, and this untitled project is a new blank project that you can use. Just click open to open it, or you can also create a new project or a new folder to manage your projects. Okay, to change the settings of your project, you can right click on the project and click project settings, or you can also open the project first and click on the settings icon right here, and then this is the resolutions, this is the aspect ratio, and this is the frame rate, and this is the video format. Okay, the frame rate of my video is 25, so I'm going to change it to 25 fps, and make sure this timeline and playback frame rate is the same. After that, click save, or you can save it as preset as well. Okay, go to presets and save as. Okay, I'm gonna name it 1080p 25 fps. After that, click OK. Okay, and then down here you can see 7 different tabs with different workspace. Okay, so this is media, where you import and manage all of your footage. This is cut, where you trim or cut your footage. And then this is edit, where you will spend most of your time editing here. Okay, then fusion is where you apply special effects to your video. Okay, so it's like After Effects. And then color, where you color grading your video. Then Fairlight is audio mixing panel. Then deliver, where you can export your video. Okay, so basically you work from here to here. Okay, so this is the workflow in Davinci Resolve. Okay, and I usually jump straight to this edit tab, because I can also import and manage my clips here and do all the trimming in the timeline. Okay, and this is the user interface of edit tab. So this is the media pool, this is the effects library, and this is the edit index. Then this is the sound library. Okay, and right here is the preview monitor. Then this is the video settings, this is the timeline, and this is the audio mixers. Then this is the toolbar. Okay, so I will create a new bin. I will name it source and import some video. Okay, you can access your folder right here, just click on it. I will import some clips from my previous video. Okay, after that, just drag it to the timeline like this. Then you can also change the timeline layout. Okay, just click on this button right here. Then you can see which one that you like. Okay, this is my preference. Okay, and then you can also set the track height of the video and the audio. Okay, first to zoom in, you can slide the slider here, or you can click this 3 button right here. This is to full extend zoom, and then this is to zoom in, and this one is to zoom in to a specific area like this. I'm gonna mute this audio. Okay, and then this is the marker to mark the timeline. It's very useful when you want to make a b-roll. So when you play the song, you can just press M to mark the timeline. like this. Okay, and you can also change the color. To delete it, you can click clear all, or you can click one of the marker and press delete. Then this is the video marker, just click on it and click the marker to mark the video like this. Okay, after that, this lock icon is to lock the video, so you cannot move it, as you can see. And you can also click this icon to unlock it again. Okay, and this chain icon is to link or unlink your video and audio. Okay, so when you click on it, it will unlink the audio, as you can see. If you want to link it, just select the video and audio again and then click the chain icon. Or you can also press and hold control button and click on the audio like this. Okay, and then you can delete it. Okay, and I'm gonna link it again. And then this is snapping tool, so you can snap the video. It's very useful when you want to align your video. Okay, as you can see, it's snap, so it's easier to align your video. Okay, and then this three button, this one is to insert clips, and then this one is to override, and this one is to replace. Okay, so to insert your clip to the timeline, you can either drag it in like this, like I did before, or you can also select one of the footage and click this icon to insert it like this. And then this is pointer icon, and this tree is the trimming tool. Next, let me show you a few ways to trim your video. Okay, the first and the most basic one is you can use blade tool, or you can press B on your keyboard. After that, it's easier to move the playback indicator to the place where you want to cut it. Then just click on the clip to cut it like this. Then press A to select the pointer and select the clip you want to delete. You can press delete to delete the clip and the gap. Okay, so it will align your video automatically. Or if you don't want to delete the gap, you can press backspace. And then you can select the empty gap and press delete or backspace again. Okay, another way you can trim your video is when you move your cursor to the end of the video, you will see the cursor change into this icon. So you can click and drag it like this to trim your video. Okay, or this is a very useful one. Okay, so let's say that you don't want this part of the video, so you can press Ctrl Shift square bracket right to remove it. Or if you don't want this part, you can press Ctrl Shift bracket left to remove it like this. Okay, then next, this is the video settings of your video. You can zoom, change the positions or the rotation angle. Then you can also crop, set the opacity and the durations. Okay, and a lot more. Okay, so just click on the video right here, and then you can change the settings here. Okay, to keyframe your video, just click on this keyframe icon like this, and you will notice these two new icons on the video. Okay, if you click on it, click on this one, you can see the keyframe icon. Okay, and then right here you can adjust the keyframe. Or if you want to change the duration but don't want to change the value, you can click on this icon where you can move the durations like this. And to reset it, you can click on this reset icon right here like this, and the icon will become. Okay, and then how to add title to your video? Go to effects library, and then you will see this title in the toolbox. Okay, here is a lot of title that you can choose. There are some animated one like this. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, so to change the text, click on the title and go to video. Then this is the small text, clean and simple, which is right here. And then this is the big text, sample text. And down here you can also change the font and the size of the text. Okay, next, lastly, I will show you how to add transitions to your video. Okay, I will make a cut right here. So you can go to effects library again, and then this is video transitions and this is audio transition. Okay, there are a lot of transitions that you can choose. As you can see, to use it, just drag it to the middle of the first and the second video, and then you will see the icon change into this, and then just drop it like this. Okay, to adjust the transitions, click on one of the video and then go to transitions. You will see that this panel is available right now. Right here you can change the settings, you can change the duration as well. Okay, as you can see, that was how to apply transitions to your video. Okay, so that was all about how to get started in the Vinci Resolve. And in the future, I will make more tutorial videos about the Vinci Resolve. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.